Whenever I receive a new lead from Google Ads, instantly the lead details are added into my Google Sheets. And do you also want to create this amazing automation for your business? Then you are on the right video. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect, which means that you can add up to 100 of leads for free into your spreadsheet using this amazing automation, which I'm just going to show you how to create just in 3 minutes. For that, you just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect, come on the dashboard, click on this create workflow and then create using a quick builder. Over here, type your prompt. So I want the prompt to be Google Ads leads to sheets. So I'm just going to type the same Google Ad leads to sheets and then we're just going to move on further and send this prompt. It is saying analyzing your request. So wait, select the details right over here and yes, you can see the workflow is created. Just click on this approve and create and then open workflow button. Your workflow is created successfully. You just have to connect your applications and you are good to go. So first we're just going to connect our Google Ads. For that, just open this and you're going to find the webhook URL. Just copy this, click on this recapture webhook response and then yes, just open your campaign and in this campaign make sure to select a lead form. So just add your lead form right over here because the connection between Google Ads and Pabbly Connect is going to happen using this lead form only. Now what you have to do is you just have to select the details and then scroll and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. Open this. For the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and then enter a key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent, so just open your workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. As you can see, Pabbly has captured the response. Over is the city or you can see the country. Over is the string value. You're going to see the phone number, the email address and the first name, last name. Now I'm just going to add these details right over here in my spreadsheet, and to do that what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to open Google Sheets and connect my Google Sheets. Over here, click on this add a new connection, sign in with Google, select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to create this connection, using which you want to add the details in Sheets. Okay, now Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. Click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions and your Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Select the spreadsheet in which you want to select or add the details, then select the sheet and then one by one add the details. But you do not have to add the details manually by typing it, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the details and map the details one by one. Whatever details you want to collect and add in your spreadsheet, you can simply map those details right over here. I've collected all these details. I'm just going to map these details and then click on this save and send test request button. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request button, you're going to see it is saying yes, we have received the positive response. It is saying that we have successfully added these details in our spreadsheet. So let me just open my spreadsheet and you're going to see the details are added. Not only this, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this campaign, instantly the lead details will be added in my spreadsheet. Yes, under 3 minutes you have learned how to connect Google Ads to Google Sheets. So go and try this amazing automation yourself. And if you like Pabbly Connect while trying, do not forget to purchase the subscription plan using my amazing discount coupon code, which is RITYT. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. The workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below.